have some big news coming in on the Champions Trophy. A hybrid model has finally been agreed upon. The ICC has approved it. The International Cricket Council has finally approved a hybrid model for the 2025 Champions Trophy, which would mean the Champions Trophy match will be held in Pakistan as well as in Dubai. This is in agreement with both the PCB, the Pakistan Cricket Board, and the BCCI of India. Both the cricket boards, in principle, have agreed for T20 World Cup 2026 that Pak will not travel for the India-Pakistan League game to India, and that will be played in Colombo instead. And for this Champions League, at this point, there will be matches held half in Pakistan and half in Dubai. And this is an agreement from both sides, the PCB and the BCCI. India-Pakistan T20 World Cup 2026 match to be played in Colombo. No compensation will be given for PCB to lose the half of its hosting rights either, but they will get to host an ICC women's tournament after 2027. Let me bring in Nikhil Naz, our cricket expert, to give us a little more on this. Nikhil, the conundrum has finally settled. We see that the ICC has agreed to a hybrid model based on the PCB and BCCI agreeing to playing matches half in Pakistan, half in Dubai.
Well, that's right, Nabila, and this is exactly what we had been reporting for the last 3 weeks or so, because, you know, the deadlock was over India not traveling to Pakistan. PCB said that, listen, if that's the case, initially they started with the argument that they cannot have a hybrid model anymore, but then you had subsequent meetings of the ICC members, full members in Dubai, after which the Pakistan Cricket Board did relent and agreed to a hybrid model for the Champions Trophy 2025. However, they had a conditions that what happens when there is going to be a Women's World Cup or there's going to be the Men's T20 World Cup in 2026, then how about Pakistan also not traveling to India, because if you're not going to reciprocate and come to Pakistan, then we will also not be sending our team, and for which BCCI agreed in principle. They said, all right, that's fine, in which case the thing that really suited the CCI was the fact that Champions Trophy is only being held in Pakistan, so any games that are India games to be taken out of Pakistan becomes a hybrid model. But in the 2026 T20 World Cup, Pakistan playing their games in Sri Lanka doesn't quite become a hybrid model because India and Sri Lanka were anyway co-hosts. So BCCI on that front is happy that Pakistan plays all its league games in the 2026 T20 World Cup in Sri Lanka. The interesting bit here is, and that is what we don't have clarity on, is whether Pakistan reached the final of that T20 World Cup, whether that T20 World Cup final will then happen in Sri Lanka or will happen in India as planned. But I think that's the bridge that they'll cross once they get to it. For that, Pakistan will need to qualify for the final. But in India's case, in the Champions Trophy, if India are to reach the final of the Champions Trophy 2025, then that final will happen in Dubai, just as all the other matches that India is going to be playing. So, yes, there has been a bit of a to and fro, but if you look at it from a macro level, I think BCCI has got its pound of flesh.
All right, great. Well, finally we see a solution that's come about, and it seems like all parties are happy here. Thanks very much, Nikhil Naz. We're looking forward to the Champions Trophy. Hopefully India to bring the cup home.